Alright, so there is this little plugin for After Effects called, CopyMask2Layer. It's an awesome plugin which basically allows you to take a mask from one layer and copy it to another layer without changing its position or size, which is very, very handy when you want to get a mask from one layer to another and you don't want that mask to change its position or size. This is the plugin you want. However, I noticed that there's a problem with this when one of the layers is scaled. So, for example, here I have this scene with a mountain and I want it to be a little bit bigger for my final video. So I'll scale it up to 125. Now, if I then auto trace this to get the mask, and there's my auto trace layer up here with the mask, and then I want to copy this mask as it is down here to this layer where I have a video playing, because I want to have this video playing against the outline of the mountains. I come up here and I do CopyMask2Location, the little plugin, and then I select the mask that I want, which in this case is mask 17, and choose select mask. Click. Now it's copied that mask. If I then bring it over into this layer and do insert mask, you got to give it some time to think. It will click and it will look wrong in the beginning, but then give it a few seconds and it will realign itself. Oh man, this is taking a long time. So, do I have any good jokes? Oh, there it is. Alright, so you will now see that this mask is clearly a different size than the original mask. It's in the same location, but the scale is different. So, and of course I don't want that because when I mask that out, yeah, it's not going to fit over the mountains the way I want it to. Here, I'll take down the opacity here so you can see. Yeah, see, as this video goes by, if you look up closely, you'll be able to see clearly here that the video is not quite conforming to the mountain shape that I wanted it to, because the mask is bigger. So, here is how you remedy this problem. To get rid of this mask that you just pasted on here. Now, what you want to do is create a new solid layer that is the size of your composition. Black solid. Boom. It's up here. Now take this original mask that you wanted, mask 17 in this case, the outline of the mountains, and then paste it to the black solid layer. Whoops, I'm sorry. You take that mask 17 and you use this app or this plugin and do select mask, and now copy it to this black solid layer. Again, you have to give it some time to think. I wish it was going faster. This would make this video a lot shorter, but hopefully, since I didn't find a video for this, this is helping all of you to get to the bottom of this problem. It's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. Come on. Alright, so now it has transferred to this solid object. Again, it's a different size. But if you'll notice, the size difference is this number here, 125, is 25 bigger than 100. So all you have to do is subtract that same 20, the amount that it is over 100, you subtract that then from the scale here on this solid object where we've copied the mask. So it would be minus 25 instead of 125, brings us to 75. And now, as you can see, it's perfectly lined up there with the mountains. So now you take the mask here and you do select mask from CopyMask2Layer, and now finally you place it onto the movie layer in this case, or the layer that you want it to be on, which by the way is scaled at 100. If it was not scaled at 100, you'd have to do some more math, I presume. So anyways, it should be coming. I'm crossing my fingers. I hope this works. Boom. There you go. Now we have gotten CopyMask2Layer, this beautiful plugin, script, or whatever, to perform the task which it puts out to perform, but had a difficulty due to scaling issues from one layer to another. And that is it.